Hi everyone, it's Monday, November 23rd around 10 a.m. So is anyone seasick yet from the up and down market action of late? It seems that lately I've come to expect this increased volatility as the market psychology shifts from one of Fed easing to one of Fed tightening. Last week, one would have expected that because of the likely Fed tightening in December, along with the Paris terror attacks, that the major averages would have declined. Well, in fact, the opposite happened, and the major averages have rallied nicely. This is yet another illustration that the market is not always driven solely by news events. Rather, the market is truly driven by supply and demand. In its simplest form, when there are more buyers than sellers, prices rise and the market goes up. Following this very simple approach and not letting one's ego get in the way of what the market is actually doing will help keep you out of trouble. Remember, the market doesn't care what my opinion or your opinion is. The market can operate seemingly irrational for a very long period of time. So follow the money, that is the supply and demand, and you will fare far better than making predictions. Okay, so where do we stand from a trend standpoint? All major averages except for the Russell 2000 rallied above their long-term trend lines as we continue to climb the wall of worry. So even though small caps continue to lag, I remain optimistic because the positive trend in the majority of the major averages. Now let's talk about some year-end housekeeping. Let's not forget, you can still contribute to your IRAs even if you've maxed out your 401k contributions. The IRA contributions would be non-deductible, but they will still accumulate tax-deferred. Also, we're completing the required minimum distributions now, so if you haven't heard from us yet, you will be shortly. And lastly, this is a time of year to conduct year-end tax planning. If you've made a real estate purchase or sale that generated capital gains or losses, please let us know. We will factor this transaction into your year-end tax balancing. Thanks again for listening, and don't forget, if you have any questions on anything financial, don't hesitate to call. We're here to help. And enjoy the Thanksgiving holiday. We have much to be thankful for. Thanks again for listening.